Marshall, no kill.
I'll take that.
Well done, top end. I see you chase him down, bro. You make him fucking.
The other side of the wall. I know. I went round in his face there. I just threw a grenade. I was like, ooh. That could have really fucking hurt. That's why I didn't shoot. I knew he was that close. I was like, nah. 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Oh, it didn't go off. Fuck's sake. Huh? Sorry, you got it? That's me, Billy. Oh, fuck. Oh, is that? I'm surprised Mona didn't kill me though. Bare shots, G.
You two take out enough of each other.
No, but the thing is, you hit him, like, you had the angle on him before he could even come around. So that's why.
Fucking hell.
Because I see him there, so I was going to come around, but I completely forgot about the other guy at the back. So.
Bro, the fucking thing wouldn't light.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Oh, overarm. Sorry, Kieran. Oh, sorry, that's me. I'll call it. You stay in. Sure?
Yeah.
Oh, good shot. Oh, good shot. Good shot. Made me work for that.
Yeah, but I think because that's. What did you get? Oh, no.
Trade, innit?
Oh, man. So what goes on there?
I don't even know.
Because I got the other guy.
Anyone else left?
I got the other guy. Oh.
Let them run it again if they want. They'll probably get us on this one. I'm gassed out.
I'm hoping I didn't hit him because like it was a weird angle for me to shoot and I can't tell when the beam was going. So hopefully he's all good. But it was like upper body area, so I'm hoping.
Okay.
Yeah.
Check that they're good first. One sec. Anybody injured or we all good?
No, I think it's just one tap, so it's like, well, because I can't see properly, I don't know where the shot's going.
He's good, man. Oh, fuck it, no. Let's go.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
No, I dropped it on purpose, love, bro. Where the fuck are you lot? Oh, you got me on the foot as well. Huh? Did I get you?
Yeah, no, you got me on the hip.
Fuck it, I'll give you guys the victory.
No.
Because that was a trade.
Bro, I thought he was fucking playing.
Serious?
Yeah, I thought, yeah.
Fuck, you know. Go on, you guys take it. I'm gassed out.
Alice, you was hugging up. You got me here.
Next two ready?
Could you stop running around so much, kicking a lot of dust up?
Yeah, sorry guys. It's a lot.
Trying to write your name in the gravel, ain't you?
Trust me. Give me 1 sec. At least you guys got some footage. Good to go? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Marshall in the middle! Marshall! 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 I love the movement in this game. Keep it up. Marshall! 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 Mona, remember you're stepping into their safe zone. Everybody in that box is safe zone. Love, bro. You're a crazy man, bro. But you're crazy man because you made it. You know what? You almost had Mona. Mona was in this
Yeah, I know he went
room.
round and I was about to run right behind him.
Brother, you almost had him, G. Almost. 2-1. Where we at? 2-1. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, run. Marshall. Marshall in the center. Let him out. Marshall. Let him out. Well done, top team. Top team got the victory. Last 2 games and then we're going to leave Kill House.
Oh, Mona's sneaky.
Good try. You almost had him, though. You almost had him. Next to you?
You want to go through?
Is that us again? Oh, no. I think it's these two. It's these two, yeah, and then it's us, I think. I need to go check Kaz as well. Make sure Kaz is alright up there. Good? Guys, we all sweet?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, let's go! This is gonna get techie. Marshall! Disaster straight away, innit? Marshall! Let him out! Marshall!
Real good.
Who got the victory?
With a fucking
Fuck's sake.
Bruv, if that was on record, you meant with a crease.
I was trying to run around and catch you guys, but I missed it.
Was you playing?
I thought it was a grenade.
No, I'm asking. Huh?
When I was last in, was you playing?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I froze as I see you, thinking that you're marking.
Oh, sorry. It's because we have to send Kaz out because his gun was hot and it's had to take his place. Yeah. I'm so sorry. I should have gave you the kill then.
Hey, bro. I threw a cone, shattered grenade. You fell for it. Fucking standing behind cover.
Go on, last game and we're going to head back up. Or do you guys just want to run one more big one and then we'll head back up? Yeah, fuck it. Guys!
So what team we got 5?
Huh?
How many we got started?
Ellis, you good? All right, 3, 2, 1, let's have it. Man threw the drug package.
Is he on melee only or something?
Huh?
Is he only allowed to touch you?
No, he can use his rifle, but I think what he's trying to do is sneak kill them.
Who's infected and who's not? Come back in, come back. Who's infected and who's not?
So I'm saying, he gets cocky, so it's nice when this happens to him, it humbles him.
Every time though, every time I see him here, he's doing something
That's what I'm saying.
He's always like running around.
That's his play style.
I know.
Fucking hell.
What's the highest score?
To be honest, his highest score in here was 55 seconds. And it was 5 players, so he hasn't beat it today, but the good thing is I've got nice mid-range and high players here, so he's gonna find this difficult anyway. Yeah, this is good though. It will humble his confidence a little bit. No, trust me, he's a great player, but days like this reminds him he's not Superman.
Who is it? The one with the speed softer?
Huh?
Is it the speed softer one?
No, you know, he's actually meant to, he's our sniper, but he loves running around because he runs an AAP, innit? So you could call him a speed softer, it's a speed softer gun he runs. You see, he's gone back again. I might assist him once he gets to maybe
You're
about...
not playing today, or you just...
Do you know what? I played a couple games. That's why you see me down there running around.
I can ask if there's a spare marshal and you can play and I can get someone else to come on.
Alright, Trey, this has been mentioned from Bob, but we've got to give the boys a heads up with barrel stocks
Yeah, I
as we
told
need
him, I
it.
know who it was as well. I told him to come back here.
Oh, okay. Alright, yeah. Only because Bob mentioned to me, innit?
Cheers, thank you, broski. I'll stand by the door to check them as they go up, my bad.
Yeah. I've still got 2 5s in, but I'm shooting 300 now.
Cheers. I was actually meant to pop up there and check on you. To be honest, hop in. What we're doing is running zombies, so Ellis is trying to pick you guys off as fast as possible. He's struggling at the moment and I'm loving it.
Okay, that's it.
Do you know what? Go on Ellis's side, so you're on his side. Maybe take your band off.
Yeah. What, has he got a gun? Has he got a gun?
Yeah.
Alright, that's it.
He was meleeing at first, but I think he started to clock he needs his gun. So your aim is try and kill everybody to get them on your side. Just to give him some support.
Yeah, can you do me a favour? When you go up for the break, can you just give them another shout and tell them about barrel swords?
Yeah, I'm gonna stand by the door just to remind them, and I'll go back up there.
This time. But if they need barrel swords, tell me because I can bring them over.
Let him out!
They're not going to take their bands off though.
They do, but I think again they're getting confused.
You've got to take your band off.
Careful. Mona, careful with distance. Yeah, he's got no face protection. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Cut him.
No, that's right.
That's game, broski.
Yeah, game over, good.
I can't remember.
No, he's got Indian in his family.
He's not lying.
Okay, fair.
Racist cunts.
Fuck's sake. We know you. We know the shit that comes out of your mouth. Does anyone else want to be infected? Okay, let's go. I don't mind playing as well with you. Be careful. I got no neck protection. Protect me, Adam's apple. So I'm gonna sound like a bitch all day.
Kiss my teeth.
We good to go?
Yeah.
All right, give us a sec to get down there and let's go. Yeah, we'll be back up in a sec. We're literally just running this and heading back up. Yeah. I have a grenade launcher. I'm gonna try and make use of it. Guys, are we good to go? Three, 2, 1, let's go! Oh, what? Yeah, you good?
I'm good.
No, you're good. Hit. Yeah, I believe so. Did I hit you?
Yeah, I felt
Okay, sure. Panic, bro. Let me load the next one. Okay. Oh, sorry. Nah, I did it, you know. Oh, good shot. No way, it's T6, bro, I'm coming. Good shot.
Nearly on grenade, bro.
Just it, come over the side. Fucking hell, Ellis.
Oh, it's good though, isn't it?
Do you know what? Left, right hand side, bro. Levi's coming over as well. Oh, sorry. Did I get you?
Yeah, I'm gonna see
Sorry, broski. Levi's in center, guys. Center. Yeah. That's game over, peeps. Game over. I think we done it.
Yeah.
Come on, guys.
I went up behind, but he heard it. Slapped me.
Sorry, man. Free aim. On God mode. Fuck's sake. Whose mag is that? Is that one of ours? I'm not sure. Yeah? I think it might be Liam's.
There's a fucking another one in the dirt down there.
Let me just spin the map quickly. Guys, barrel socks, please. That shipment thing. Barrel sock. Can I have Mona and can I have Levi? Yep. Do you know what? Because that's your colour, you might as well hold. No.
Yeah, leave you.
Down the bottom for me, please. Oh, before we do that, simple team deathmatch. You got the 5 extra life bottles in the middle. So if you guys want to find them there in the middle, you all have, let's make it quick. We've all got 3 lives each. Yeah? No worries. We'll give you a thumbs up when we are ready to go, because I guess I'm on Mona's team. So you missed briefing. So the aim is to get to the bottle, collect it. Once you collect it, you now have 5 lives added to your life automatically. But you have to hold on to that bottle.
Okay, keep it with you at all times.
Yeah, if
And
you
so
get
the-
killed on the way to it,
Yeah.
you have to just drop it
Yeah, of course.
wherever you. So say you pick, like, I don't know, you
Got cracked on here originally, and then Ellis finished it off.
3 lives here, peeps. 5 live bottles in the middle. Levi's on the right, bro. Nah, he's still there. Levi's over this side. On the left hand side, guys. Have you got eyes on Ellis? Back end, back end, back end. Do you see him? Ellis is still there. Got him out finally. Liam, your trigger's so fucking light.
Lovely! Got a good feel there, boy.
Trust me. The amount of rounds I've let off already is crazy.
I've picked up that pot.
Okay, you got 5 lives.
No, I put one straight in the elbow.
Oh,
Drop it.
dark.
He's literally just still upside here.
Yeah. You just hold on to it, and every time you get shot, you count 1, 2 till your 5 lives runs out. Watch that right hand side, G. Careful.
We got some.
Oh, good shot. Andy,
Yo.
if you want it,
Where am I sending it?
anywhere you want, broski, just let us know. Yep, back end of that container on the left.
Let me well good. I bounced it off the top of the container.
Oh, Chris, move. Oh, Chris, move. Oh, Chris, move. gun didn't work.
I'm done.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty light.
Kieran, watch your... Good shot. Got one more life. Watch that left hand corner, right, sorry, right hand corner. Yep, back end, he's coming center, Kieran. Huh?
Aim down the sight, you're going pop, pop, pop,
Do you know why? This runs 2.5s, I'm running 2, so I have to curve my shots.
Oh, do ya?
Yeah, that's why I'm shooting like that. Trust me, I ain't trying to move mad. It's the only way I can get a straight shot on them. Trust me, trying. I'm doing it for YouTube.
It's my weed, bro.
Guys, how we looking?
Move up.
Talk to me, guys. Where are we shooting at?
Communication, bro. What are you shooting at?
Behind the barrel, behind the
Oh, good shot, broski. Well done, lads. Well done. Brought it back for us.
The guys that don't have the full face that want to play, if you send them to me, I'll give them a rental mask just for them games. And then when we're going back out, we'll just put their own.
It depends on your engagement distance. Where are they seeing everyone? Oh! Yep, he's still there on the left-hand side this time. I'm gonna distract him so you can get a clear shot, yeah? Okay, fair. See if we can. He's not on that left-hand side. Or right-hand side. Okay, cheers, broski. He's gone. Oh, good shot. That's my second life. Trust me. Yeah, trust me. It feels like that this game, innit? Guys, keep an eye on Ellis in the center. Oh, good shot.
Hey!
Good shot, you little bastard. That's my last one. Ellis is on fire today as well.
Yeah, that's what you need to be running, bro, because you'll be dying in there. Yeah, come here, running, bro.
Let me see what level you're on. Let me see what level you're on. I beg you just drop your head a little bit this way for me. So that's the highest setting, yeah?
I can't think everything.
And hopefully it should clear out.
Just stop sweating.
Yeah.
Stop sweating. Just stop sweating.
Alright, Levi, you're lucky.
All right, my G, love. Oh shit. Come on, I need some support, peeps. Oh, good shot. Dead man. Levi, did you shoot me before? I wasn't sure. Good shot. Huh? Yeah, I think that's game.
Game over!
Well done, lads. Let's head back. Quick break, grab some food. I wanna shoot myself in my chest.
One.